Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to enable the Google Play Store when it has been disabled. If this video was helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. First, swipe up from your home screen and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Next, either scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to look for Play Store. Once you find it, tap on it. At the bottom of the screen, you will see an option that says Enable. Go ahead and tap on it. Now the Play Store is active again. You can swipe up to find it in your app drawer. If you want quick access, just tap and hold the Play Store icon and drag it back to your home screen. And that's it. Now you know how to enable the Google Play Store when it's been disabled.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.